Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2 on our trip here in Iowa, and right now it's currently about a little after 9 o'clock. David and I are just getting ready. We're gonna head downstairs for breakfast. The hotel actually gave us a complimentary breakfast buffet tickets for both of us, so we're gonna head down there right now to go have some breakfast, and then right after that we're gonna head over to the water park, which is actually directly connected with the resort. We're gonna meet his sister and his 2 nephews over there to go check that out. As I vlogged last night, unfortunately I totally forgot the hard case that goes around the GoPro. It's the waterproof one. I don't even know what I was thinking, but well, I do, because we packed so late. It was so last minute. That probably explains why I totally forgot it. Anyways, we are gonna bring the camera still down so we can get the shots that we want of the park, and we can show you guys what that looks like. So we'll plug that into the video here, so keep watching. Alright, we're heading over to breakfast right now, but I want to show you a little bit of the inside of the hotel. It's quite nice actually. So much to do. So we got our breakfast, which isn't bad at all. It's pretty good selection from the buffet. Bacon, sausage, potatoes, biscuits, and gravy. Alright, so we just got done with breakfast. We're back in the room real quickly just to freshen up a little bit before we go down to the water park, which is just directly next door to the resort. So we're gonna get ready to head over to Huck Harbor. So I'll link all the information down below so that you guys can see like the water park, the website. Today they have like a special where you can get in for $5. It's normally I think it's 10. I'll link all the information down below so that you guys can see that, because I may be misquoting. So anyways, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright you guys, so we made it here to Hucks Harbor Water Park. You can kind of see in the background. They've got a lazy river here and a few different slides. It's actually on a much smaller scale, so it's not like a huge water park that you would think it is, but it's a good size for people here in Burlington, so. We just got done with the water park, right? So Grayson, what did you think of Huck Harbor's water park? On a scale of 1 to 10, what rating would you give it? 8. An 8?
Yeah.
Oh man, you need to go outside of Iowa. What would you rate it, David?
6, 5.
Okay, all right. So
it just depends. I mean, it's if you view it as like a hotel water park, it's pretty good.
In conclusion, Hucks Harbor Water Park. We're gonna rate it a 5 today. The Greens Go is giving it a rating of 5.
I would say 5 if you try to compare it to an actual water park. If you're comparing it to a hotel water park, it's probably 7 or 8. Okay. She's gonna get so mad. The neighbors are gonna get mad.
God, you're a pain in my butt.
did give me a shot of cortisone. That sucker hurt.
Did you go to a specialist or?
Yes. And my what's it called?
Did you do
Did you
X-rays?
say you've had
Yes.
any problems with your throat?
Alright, so the next stop is the Buffalo. That's where we're gonna have lunch
I
today.
probably won't live at probably the max.
Moved to Burlington. This is the kind of style house that I would want to live in. And this house I keep an eye on, like on Zillow, to see when it goes on sale. Apparently this house was a hangout spot for Al Capone back in the day, and it's just like freaking gorgeous. I want this house so bad. So we're here in Aspen Cemetery. It's the local cemetery here in Burlington. This is one of the things that I like to do, and I know it's weird, but I work in the funeral business, and I really like looking at old cemeteries. And so this is a private mausoleum that was built for the Ransom family, and if you guys can see in there, I'm going to try and see if I can focus. 4 crypts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's actually 2 more spaces down there where people can be, but obviously this looks like it hasn't really been, no one's really visited in a while, but this family was apparently a family of doctors, so these people were born back in 1834 and passed in 1895. It's just really cool to see things like that. I just want to look around and just look at all the different headstones. I mean, some of them are just so old. The sun has just beaten down on them so much that you can't really make out anymore of what the engraving is on them, but it's still just really fascinating. I don't know. I guess it's weird for other people, but no, it's my thing. It's my thing to do, I guess. My mother-in-law says that there's usually a lot of deer that come around through here, which is really cool. So we stopped by to get some ice cream. This is homemade ice cream apparently. Grandpa's homemade ice cream. It's pretty good. I got mint chip. Grandpa's homemade ice cream. It's pretty good though, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Better than Dairy Queen? Okay, so we're gonna head back to the hotel right now. We've been out and about and we're kind of still full of chlorine. So we're gonna head back to the hotel, get freshened up, because tonight is David's sister's graduation from nursing school. She's graduating as a medical assistant. That was really the purpose of our trip, was to be here to support her for her graduation. So we're gonna head there tonight. We'll head back to the hotel. What?
Brain freeze.
Making a mad dash to get to this graduation because we were running late. It starts at 6 o'clock and it's currently 5:51 right now. We made it here in 2 minutes. I guess that's just how we roll.
You can make it anywhere in Burlington in 5 minutes.
That's what he says. I mean, I guess the town's small enough that you can make it anywhere in 5 minutes. So we're like literally running to get here. And we didn't really have to. Southeastern Community College. That's where we're at right now. This is one of the brand new campuses for the Health Professions Center. So this is where David's sister is going to be graduating today.
Or does it go like this?
Congrats to Lisa.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Right?
Pour one for your homie. Well, that was a successful ceremony. Tears and all.
Cheers.
Blood, sweat, and tears. We're gonna head over
We
to...
had some emotional moments and speeches.
We did, didn't we?
Yeah.
Grayson got to pin his mom. She got certified as a medical assistant. And you got to pin her.
I'm really proud.
Are you really proud of your mom? That's awesome, Grayson. All right, so what's next? We're heading over to
Bent River.
Bent River Brewing Company, which is a restaurant slash bar downtown in Burlington. Alright, I'm just taking a quick look at the appetizers, signature burgers, ooh, the Burlington Brew Pub Mushroom Swiss Burger and sandwiches. We also have baskets and then Burlington Brew Pub specialty dips. So I'm trying to decide between the pulled pork street tacos and the steak street tacos.
Maybe 8, probably.
Alright guys, so we finished dinner at the Bent River Brewing Company. It was actually not that bad. I ended up getting the pulled pork street tacos with a side of salsa and chips, and their salsa was like not your traditional Mexican salsa, but it did have a kick to it, so it wasn't actually that bad. David ended up getting the chicken Alfredo pasta. How was that?
It was good.
And we all, with his family, shared a platter that came with like fried cauliflower, cheese curds, fried mushroom, and
Beer battered onion rings.
beer battered onion rings. Everything was actually really good there. So the building where that restaurant is actually used to be the old JCPenney building downtown, and they've kind of like restarted a little bit, but for the most part they've really kept a lot of the character in there. They even have it's like a 2-3 story building. We've even kept like some of the signage that the department store had, like leading up to the second store where it has like different products that were on that second level. So it's actually a really cool place. It's currently 9:47 right now, so pretty much everyone ended up going home. Usually this would be the time to like continue the party, but we are in a smaller town, so people are pretty much already like in bed. Like everything shuts down like at 5 o'clock.
The downtown shuts down pretty much at 5.
Yeah, so I mean it's like totally different from like Tucson's downtown, because even like on a weekday, Tucson's downtown is gonna be like popping regardless of like the day of the week, because there's always something going on. We're just gonna head back to the hotel, pretty much just check in for the night. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, but stay tuned for day 3. Tomorrow is Thursday. We're not sure yet what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. We've talked about maybe going to a fair. We've talked about doing a couple other things, but we haven't really decided. But anyways, check out the next vlog and you'll find out.
See you real soon.
Bye.
There's like the two of